Hello friends, welcome to Tebo's World Recipes. Today, we bring you a classic dish from Tapas in Spain. It's called Ensaladilla Rusa, which the translation would be Russian salad. The history is, this salad started as being a salad Olivier by Chef Olivier that was working in Moscow from French and Belgian descent. From there, it was a salad with potatoes, other vegetables, fish, meat, mixed all with mayo. And then that has evolved through times from Italy all the way to Spain. And right now, it's a very classic dish that you can find in almost any tapas bar. We're gonna show you how to make one of the recipes, as it has many variations, and on top of that we're gonna make a homemade mayonnaise. It's delicious, it's very good, and I'm gonna show you how to do it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need are 4 potatoes, 2 carrots, 3 eggs, 2 cans of tuna, 4.5 ounces each, 1 jar of olives, 5.75 ounces each, 1 bag of peas, 12 ounces, 4 small pickles or gherkins, and roasted red bell peppers to decorate, salt and pepper to taste. For our homemade mayo, we're going to need 1 egg, 1 cup of olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, you can substitute for vinegar, and salt and pepper. We're going to start putting all our potatoes in a pot with water. And we're also going to add our carrots. Our potatoes are not going to be peeled. Our carrots are going to be peeled. We're going to turn on the heat and wait till it starts boiling. In another pot with water, we're going to add our 3 eggs. We're going to turn on the heat, and after it starts boiling, we're going to count 10 minutes to have a perfect hard-boiled egg. After 10 minutes, we're going to get our eggs out and we're going to put them in some cold water. We're going to let them rest for a few minutes. And while that is happening, we're going to start preparing our homemade mayo. We're going to crack 1 egg. We're going to add our cup of olive oil. We're going to cut our lemon. And we're only going to juice half of it. And we're going to add the juice. And I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Using an immersion blender, we're going to keep the immersion blender all the way at the bottom, and we're going to start at slow speed. We're going to keep it there until the emulsion starts happening. We're going to keep on going, then we're going to tilt it a little bit to catch all the rest of the oil that stays at the top. And then we're going to start making movements up and down until our mayo is ready. After 20 minutes, we're going to check our carrots and potatoes. Using a fork, you can poke them, and if they're soft, and come out easily, they're ready. We're gonna take them out of the pot and we're gonna let them to the side to cool down. We're gonna check our potatoes the same way. As our potatoes and carrots are cooling down, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to get notifications, click on the bell. Also, at the end of the video, give us a like, leave us your comments, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's get back to the kitchen. Now that our potatoes and carrots have cooled down a little bit, we're gonna peel our potatoes. Once peeled, we're gonna cut them into little cubes. Once cut, I'm gonna put them in a mixing bowl. We're gonna cut our carrots in quarters, and we're also gonna dice them into very small cubes. Now we're going to add them to our potatoes. We're going to start mixing, and at this point, we're going to add some salt and pepper to our potatoes and carrots. The potatoes need a lot of salt. We're going to take our hard-boiled eggs and we're going to cut them into small pieces. I'm going to cut my gherkins as well. And we're going to start cutting our olives. You can buy the jars of olives already pre-cut. I just like to cut my own olives. I used olives with stuff with red bell peppers, but you can use them with anchovies as well. Now we're going to add our tuna to our potatoes and carrots mix. We're going to add our hard-boiled eggs. We're going to add our olives and gherkins, or small pickles. Our peas. These peas were pre-cooked. If you buy them frozen, don't forget to thaw them and cook them before. Once we have our mixture, we're going to add our mayo. You don't have to add all of it. It depends on your taste. And we're going to start mixing until everything incorporates real well. This is looking great. And now it's time to plate. I'm going to make a little mound in a serving plate. And then I'm going to decorate with some roasted red bell pepper strips and olives. Look at that. And now our Russian salad, Ensaladilla Rusa, or Spanish potato salad is ready. It looks very good. Let's try it. Everything. Really tasty. That homemade mayo is great. And if you like it garlicky, you can always put a couple of garlic cloves. Give this recipe a try. Very simple, very healthy, and we'll see you next time.